In this video, I want to share 3 tips with you on how you can go live on LinkedIn, and we're starting right now. Hi, my name is Walter Strong, the host of The Huddle, where I help you broaden your reach, your impact, and income through online video. If you're new here, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel and click the alert notification button so when we go live, you can watch us, and it's going to add value to your life. Going live on LinkedIn is another great way of helping you to broaden your reach and get more visibility as a content creator. To do this, it takes 3 things that you need to do. 1, turn on the power of creator mode. Creator mode allows you to be able to have a 30-second video profile that shares about who you are as a content creator and the types of content that you're going to be making. And it also gives you access to live stream on LinkedIn. Tip number 2, it gives you the ability to have featured content on your LinkedIn profile, sharing things about your website, your latest piece of content that you've made, or your next live stream you're going to be doing. And then finally, it allows you to be able to promote your live stream through your activity section on your LinkedIn page. And so the question that I have for you, my fellow content creator, is, are you using LinkedIn Live to help you to broaden your reach and your visibility? Drop down in the comments section and give me your feedback. And if this video has added value to your life, I want you to click the thumbs up button and share it on your favorite social media platform. If you are a content creator who's looking to grow on online video, through online video and through live streaming, check out this next video. God bless.